Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I received a question. Someone asked how to download and install Canon printer driver. So go to search bar, select Microsoft Edge or Google, then you type Canon website in your country. Select enter the Canon website. So select on the website, now select help and support. Then scroll down. You search the product by name, so we have Pixima printers. Select on the Pixima printers. Then it will show you the series. Then select Pixima TX. And it will show you all the models available. So you look on the models or you type the model name on top. So we want to install Canon Pixima TX345i. Select on it. It will show you the printer. This is the printer, Canon Pixima TX3450 series. Scroll down, select drivers or software. Select drivers, your operating system. Once you select the operating system, or you scroll down to select particular one, so Windows 11, then it will show you TX3400 series. Driver setup package, Windows. Then you select download and it will start to download it. Then you go on top, select open Canon IGS software, then select yes. Then you select start setup. The software may require internet to set up, then you select next. Now it's acquiring the latest driver and software. Then agree to terms and conditions. Select yes. Select agree. It will tell you please wait momentarily. Checking the printer status. Now it will start to search for available printers. Most importantly, also you need to make sure the printer is switched on, and from there it will find the printer and connect to the network. Then you select the network. Then you select connection method, Wi-Fi connection or USB. Once you select the particular method, then you select next and connect the printer. So this is how to install the driver for any specific Canon printer to your PC, Windows or Mac. Thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel.